Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce Abosi and I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria. So for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and supporting my journey. And for those passing by and stopping by for the first time, I'm glad you've stopped by. Please don't make it your last, guys. Stick with me and support this channel. Yeah, so here on this channel, guys, I do everything relating to beauty, lifestyle, DIYs, hair care tips, self-improvement, all those good stuff. Yeah, you find it here on this channel. So for the purpose of today's video, guys, is a DIY, and I showed you how to make this beautiful, adorable hairband I'm currently carrying. Yeah, without using a sewing machine. Yes, girl. Yes, guy. You can actually achieve it. So yeah, I thought it wise to share this tutorial with you. It's pretty much simple, straightforward, and yeah, you can also use this, make beautiful crisscross bands for your wigs, just salvage those wigs we have that we've not been using for a long time. Just you know how you do it now. So yeah, if it's something you like to see, please just stick with me on this journey and watch my video. Okay guys, so for our crisscross band, we'll be needing a fabric. So I'll be using this fabric, a pair of scissors, needle and thread, tailor's chalk to just to cut the tape, an elastic band, and yeah, this is like the star of today's tutorial. This is our glue gun. Yeah, so I'm basically showing you how to achieve this headband tutorial, or rather how to get this headband tutorial without using a sewing machine. So yes guys, just stay with me in the process, right? Okay, so now we would take our fabric, right? And oh, did I mention this? We have our needle and thread here too. So yeah. Okay, so this is our fabric, or rather my fabric for today's tutorial. So yeah, this is it. And what I'll do, it's a crisscross band, right? And it's for adults. So what I'm just going to do, this is like it's a DIY, right? You flip your fabric inside out, so that this is where you're going to do the whole cutting and all those stuff. So yeah, if you're trying it for the first time and you don't have this, you can make use of what do they call it? You can make use of a ruler as opposed to using the tip, the tailor's tip, And if you don't have this tailor's chalk, you can also use pen. You can also use pen just for the inside part though. This is a DIY, so I don't expect everybody to have the things like these things I have here. And of course we use scissors. Scissors is, I'm sure everybody has scissors in their house, right? And needle and thread. Yeah, so guys, since I'm doing this for an adult, right? So I'm just going to eyeball it, right? So for crisscross band, what you do is to cut two parts. Let me show you what I'm saying. First, for an adult, I'll be taking the length I'll be using is 18, right? So if I don't have my tailor's chalk, what I'll do now is to just simply carry my pen and mark 18 here. at this point. But since I have my tailor shop, so I'm going to just simply use it. So after taking 18, right, what you do now is to measure your width. This thing we just did now is the length, you understand? So now for our, okay guys, so for our width I'll be using 6 inches for our width. So you still measure 6 inches this way, place your tape just this way, measure 6 inches. And if you don't have tape, just eyeball it guys, you know, just eyeball it, and when you finish just try to join the lines, right? So yeah, this is just a DIY. So when you do this, you cut it. So now we have one piece here, you understand? So this is one piece. So we are going to cut the second piece, because for this headband we'll be needing 2 pieces. Okay, so we'll just take this one, right, just place it on top of this other one and do the same thing, and we will cut it out. So yeah, so guys, we have 2 pieces. This is one and this is another. So the next thing we'll be cutting out now is I call it the cage. That's for our elastic cage, right? So for this elastic cage, what we'll be doing is to simply measure 11 inches. Alright, we'll be measuring 11 inches. So yeah, don't forget what I told you guys. If you don't have this tape at your disposal, use a ruler. Ruler will still give you what you're looking for. And then for our width we'll be using 3 inches. And for this cage, for our elastic cage, it's just going to be 1, you know, just 1 like this, because don't get confused, or just, you know, just stay with me. Okay, let's go back in with our scissors and cut. Okay, right, so yeah, this is it. So we are done with this other fabric, right? We'll keep them all aside. So yeah, so yes guys, this is the fabric we'll be working with. This one, and then this one. So what I'll be doing now, if I had my sewing machine, what I'll do now is to just simply take this side, bend it this way, and, you know, just sew. You understand? Take this other side, bend it this way, and just sew. But since I don't have my sewing machine, what I do have here is my glue gun. So what I'll do now is to turn it on. It's already plugged. I'll turn it on and allow it to peak. When it's hot enough, it produces hot glue from here, so I would use it to glue these things down. So yeah, this is what you can do if you don't have sewing machine. If you don't even know how to sew, you can just use this. Invest in this thing, it would really save your life. So yeah, so what I will do now is to just place this way, as though you're shooting as though you're shooting, just place it this way. And please be careful because this is actually very hot. Now while we allow this one to also dry, we'll go back in with that first one we did. We'll turn it inside out. You understand what I'm saying? Like you flip it. Okay, so guys, I'm making use of the 1 inch or 1 inches elastic band, so I'll just pass it gradually into this cage. Oh, okay guys, so we have successfully passed our elastic band in this cage. So yeah, this is it. So it's left for us to secure the two ends. So normally what I would do is to just use my sewing machine and run through this side and this side, right? But of course this is a DIY, so we have no sewing machine. So what I'm going to do is just to quickly take this end and secure it with my needle and thread. So yeah, just to do it this way, like how you would normally sew, right? You keep it aside. So now what you do now is to take this other part here, right? You keep it this way. This is like one, one side. This is one piece, right? You keep it this way. Okay, to make it easier for you to work with, you can as well press it with a pressing iron so it will be flat. But I mean, should in case you do not have, this is what you would just do. You know, just do this. Okay, so you do it this way, like, you know, you keep one piece like this, then you place the other piece this way. So what you do is to take this one to this side, take this, like you're crossing it, you understand? So this is what you do. Take this one to the side, right? Take this one to the side, so you have something like this. Okay, so what you do now is to take this stretchy parts you did and you fix it this way. Okay, like this part, you put it this way, that's one end, and you tightly secure it like this. So I would normally use a sewing machine to run through this edge here, but I mean there's no sewing machine, so I will just make use of okay. So guys, same thing you did this part here with this other end, right? Then you secure it this way, secure it this other way. So you use your needle and thread now and you secure this side. You flip it this way. So guys, you should have something like this. So this is your crisscross band. We have the elastic and the crisscross band. So yeah guys, this is it. Okay guys, so that was it for today's tutorial, and yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. I hope you're going to try it too out there. You're going to try it. Just follow my tutorial. It's actually pretty straightforward. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can as well do this with the tools I showed you in the video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and do it to subscribe to my channel. Leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. If you want me to do more videos, you know, DIY videos for you, just leave it in the comment section below and I would, you know, answer them and try to do them for you too. So yeah, bye guys.